Hey people, welcome back to Cybernetics. In today's video, we'll be doing classes and objects. I'll first explain the theory about classes and objects and we'll solve a program on it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So what is a class? A class is a set of instructions to build a specific type of object. Okay, so that's the theoretical definition about classes. To explain it in understandable words, it has certain data in the form of variables and methods that perform specific operation or task. So basically, these classes can be called any number of times using an object, which is the absolute beauty of OOPS. OOPS is object-oriented programming. So basically, object is an instance of a class, which means we use the class through the object. Whenever we need to access class, that is a set of data, we need to declare an object through which we can access the class. We can create any number of objects, and if we create, for example, n number of objects, it means that we can access the class n number of times. Okay, so how is this of any use? For example, if we have a function that we have to use in uh, various instances, we don't want to declare it again and again, right? And along with that, we might have to change the variables of it. So calling the function is not the solution here. We have to declare some variables and the function in a class. So whenever we call the class, we declare a new variable. We declare the variable with new values and also call the function along with it. Let me now explain how this is used in Java language. Okay, so we initially declare main function. I've explained how to use that before. Now I'll declare a class. The syntax is we write the class keyword and the name of the class. Inside it, I'll declare an integer variable number1 and a double variable number2. So now here, observe carefully, we are creating an object. The syntax is we write the name of the class and the object name, which is optional. It's up to you. You can write anything you want. And then equal to new, the keyword, and a constructor. I'll explain constructors in the upcoming videos, but just remember the format for now. Now we print the number1 and number2. System.out, I've explained how it works before. Okay, so this basically prints nothing because we haven't passed any values to them yet. Now let's give them some values. You access the members of class using dot specifier. Now after the object, if you put a dot and write the member of the class, you access its members, the class members, and you can give them any values. Now let me run the program and you can see that we got the outputs that we specify. So that's it in this video. Thank you and subscribe us for more such content.